Hello students, welcome to Python programming sample program video series. So in this video, I'm going to explain about the swapping program. So in the previous video, I will explain you about swap the two numbers, by using the third variable. So in this video, we are swapping the two number without using the third variable, that is the temporary variable. Okay, assume that we have two variables, A and B. In A, I have read 50. In B, I have read 9. So after swapping, the A value should go to B and B value should come to A. For example, B should become 50 and A should become 9. So this is what the question, but without using the third variable. We have to make use of the only these two variables, that is A and B, and we should able to swap the values. So how we can do that? Can I write like this? A is equal to A plus B. I can write A is equal to A plus B. What is the value of A? A value is 50 and the B value is 9. So 59 will be stored in A. Now A contain 59. I'll write B is equal to A minus B. So what is the value of A? The current value, the new value of A is 59 minus B value is 9. So 59 minus 9 is equal to 50. Now B value I got a 50, correct? So see here, the value of A we are successfully able to store in the variable B. Now we should get what was there in the B, that 9, what was there in the B, that we should able to get it in A. So what how I can get that? A is equal to A minus B, I'll write. So what is the value of A? The value of A is 59. I'll write the value of A is 59 minus what is the value of B? The B value is 50. So 59 minus 50 is equal to 9. So here the A value we got it 9. So this is how we can swap the two variable values without using the third variable. So this we will see in the program. Here is my Python shell. I'll open the new file. I'll write the program. I'll read two values. I'll store it in a variable called A and B. Input. Enter the first number or enter the A value, whatever you want. You can, take it. I'll take B is equal to input. Now I'll write. I'll print before swapping the values of A and B. Print the values of A and B before swapping R. Print A is equal to A, B is equal to B. Done? Okay, now I'll swap this. A is equal to A plus B. B is equal to A minus B. A is equal to A minus B. And now I'll print this, the values after swapping. The values of A and B after swapping R. Okay. So I'll save with the swap2.py. Okay, I'll run this program. Now, student, please understand this. So if I run this program, I will get an error. I'll tell you why, what is the error. Now see here, here I'm printing the two values, the values of A and B before swapping R. I'm getting it. I'll get here. This I'll not get any error. But here, what I'm trying to do, I am performing an addition. That is, I'm adding two integer number. I'm performing the subtraction here. But this plus symbol will act as a concatenation if used between the two string. Okay. So here in this case, I'll not get any error. But here I will get an error because you cannot use the subtraction symbol between the two string. So where we are getting the two string here, whatever we are reading. So here we are reading two integer, right? So that whatever you read, the Python will read that as a string. So we are storing the number in, we are storing the value in A and B in the form of string. For that string, you cannot use this subtraction. Okay. Now see here, I'll get an error. I'll tell you how to overcome that. I'll enter the value 50. I'll enter the value 9. Now see here, I'm getting the values of A and B. It displaying the values of A and B. But after that, I'm performing some arithmetic operation. So now you just see the error here. Type error. Unsupported operand for this subtraction symbol. That is string and string. You cannot use string and string with the subtraction symbol. Okay. So how to overcome this error? I'll show you in the program. What you have to do is, you have to convert whatever you are reading into integer. Then you will not get that error. So I'll put int here. I'll convert that into integer. Now if I run my program, I'll not get that error. I'll save it. I'll run the program. So I'll run 50, A value, B value is 9. Now see here, the values after swapping A and B are A is equal to 50, B is equal to 9. The values. Okay, now see here, the values of A and B before swapping are 50 and B value is 9. After swapping, A value is 9, B value is 50. Student, I hope you understood this program. Thank you so much.